Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to export in Adobe Premiere Pro. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, in order to export your sequence or video, all you have to do is to go to the time marker and get it in the beginning of the video and click I on the keyboard, which stands for in, and go to the end of the last clip and click O on the keyboard to make an out for the sequence. And everything in between these lines, it will get exported. So if I want to render the video in this time right here, all I have to do is to drag the out point to here. So it will only render from here to here. But I want it to export at the last clip. So the next step is to go to File, Export, and then Media. Or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Control M. That will be faster for you. So after you press Control M on the keyboard, this window will appear. I have here the format of the video, which is H264, which is a great quality format, and it has a low size video. So it's really good. I always use it when I render my videos. And we want the preset to be match source high bitrate, which is the same details of the video like sequence and frame rate. And here you can save your preset, which is this. And in the comments, I want to leave it. I don't have to put anything. And here in the output name, you can choose the file that you want to save the video in. All you have to do is to click on it. And here you can change the name. Let's name it test. And then I want it to be here in this file, and then click save. And here you can choose if you want to export the video or the audio, but I want them both to be checked because if I turn the video off, it will export only the audio. So I'm gonna get it back. And then you can come here and see the video settings, which is the same as the video because we put the, let's get it back to match high bitrate. It's the same details. We don't want to play with that because it's gonna change the video and it's gonna be like stretched or something else. So we want to stay in the match source high bitrate. So if I want it to be like much more quality, I will change the target bitrate more than 10, but the size of the video will increase. So if I make it like 28, as you guys can see, the size has changed. So I'm gonna get it back 10 and go to the preset and get it back to match source high bitrate. And then all I have to do is to click export to render the video. But if I export it from here, I will not be able to work on other projects in Premiere while it's rendering. So let's try it. So as you guys can see, I can't get back to Premiere because it's rendering. So I'm gonna press cancel. And if you have the media encoder software, you can just press on Q. This will appear, the media encoder. The media encoder is a software that works on Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects to render the videos and also still be able to work on Premiere. So all you have to do is to keep all the settings the same and go to play, and it will render immediately. And I will be still working on other projects on Premiere. So guys, that is pretty much how you can export in Adobe Premiere. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.